All right, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the Unconventional Live Mindset. We are live, and today, we're just going to jump right in here, and we're going to start building away because we have lots to build. Hopefully, you're having a great day. Today's Tuesday, and of course, my name is Adum, and what we're doing here is we are building ourselves a website and a company that's going to help generate us, or hopefully get to the point where it's going to be generating $1 million in revenue every single year. So our website, of course, is called Pixel, and we do web design, web development, but we're also developing this Pixel Pieces, which is going to be our library for people to be able to sign up and join and access our high quality Webflow components and templates that we are building. And of course, right now, what we are building on the stream is we're actually building the site that is going to be hosting the components and the templates. And where we left off yesterday, I was looking at the database structure, and I think I'll zoom in this again. So I think this hopefully will be a little bit easier to see for you guys, maybe harder for me to work with, but that's okay. I was taking a look at the collections and figuring out exactly how to store all the information for the components and for the templates. And what I decided, initially I had it as one collection item, which was just products. So all the products, whether you are a template or component, would go into this one collection. And then from there, I'd be able to reference another collection to say whether it was like a template or a component. But what I did is I separated them out. I separated them into templates, a collection for templates, a collection for the template categories, and then there's a collection for the components and a collection for the component categories. That way, if there are any differences between what information I want to collect or keep in the collection for the components versus the templates, then there could be some differences between the two and how that manifests itself in the actual application. So if you look at the dashboard here, and if you go into the app menu, there are two different, like within here, the sub menu here. In the sub menu for the components, this collection here is referencing, I do believe that's the component category. And then there's the next drop down here in this collection, which is referencing the template categories. So those are going to get updated automatically every time there's new templates and components. And then what we have as well is there are now, I always get lost here. We have two different collection pages. There's the component, I think it's going to be in the categories. Yeah, so if you go in the component categories page, actually, I'll just play this here to have a look at it. So we have to update this thing so these things remain open, they don't stay closed. Anyway, so if you navigate through the different components, whether it's a footer, navigation, header, hero, whatever it is, all those components, they're going to get displayed on this page here. And this page as well is going to have a good slug, which I like, which if I go onto here, and you take a look at it, it's going to be pixel pieces / components / whatever it is. So, and that item could be header or footer or navigation or whatever. So that's exactly kind of how I want it. And then with templates, it's the same thing. Or if we take a look at our templates slug, it's pixel pieces / templates / whatever we have. So that is perfect. And when we have our individual template page. Now, I'm not sure exactly, I should speak too far ahead. I'm not sure exactly what's going to happen when someone clicks on view. So if we go back to here, when they click on view, so they actually want to view that component or the template, where they're going to go. So I'm thinking if it's going to be a template, it's actually going to go to a whole new template, like a new Webflow template kind of thing. Yeah, it's probably going to be that. I mean, the components as well, it might just be an individual component page as well. I'm not sure exactly what that's going to be, so we're going to figure that out eventually. So there might even be another URL that I want to grab, pixelpieces.io or I don't know, something different. So I could launch all the templates or the components off of that URL. So anyways, we'll see. So what else do I need to mention here? Something that I worked off a little bit off stream. So the account page. So I did an update to the account page. So I was doing this page here. Okay, it's taking a little while to load. Kind of my account here, just as we were kind of designing things. But now we actually have a members template page for the account page, so that whenever you log into your site and you go to your account page, everyone has their own dedicated account page based on their information. And what I was working on, and one thing that I just didn't quite finish, which we're going to start actually probably right now, is we're going to take a look at how to update the account details of each one of our members. Now, if we go back into our Memberstack, and let me make this a little bit bigger as well too. If you go into our members, we don't have anything that's very complicated here. I mean, we have the member ID, we have the Webflow user ID, and the first name and last name, an email address. That's all we're collecting. We don't have anything crazy going on here. So what we want to do, though, is give people the ability to edit that information. And so what I did is I started creating a form here. And then when people update the form, I just created a zap here so that when the form is updated, blah, 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 I just go into this, and the action I put in to just update the first name and last name. And then I realized here through Zapier, you can't actually update the email address through this API request or whatever this does in this Zap. So I was like, well, there's got to be another way to do this. And I think there is. I'm not sure exactly what it is. So let's see if we can figure that out now. Basically, how to update the user information without using Webflow. I mean, if we could, or without using Zapier. I mean, if we could not use Zapier and we could use native tools within Memberstack, then that is much, much better. So I think integrations, templates, attributes. So I think there was something I saw here for like email. So this is custom email. So maybe I was looking, components. Let's go to components and look at profile. Right. So I've seen these little templates here. So this looks kind of interesting. So this has the name, the address, and the email, and there's a change email button here. So this seems kind of interesting. So I'm just going to copy this, and which I need to know how to, what is this button actually doing here? I don't know. I got to figure that out. Anyways, so, and let's go back to this dummy account page. And let's delete that, and let's paste it in here. Okay, what the hell is this? Did it paste? It embedded some tutorial? Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay, that's just really annoying. Let's get out of this play. Yes, I will delete you. Thank you very much. Okay, so basically what we want to look at is, what do we have? So we have tabs. Okay, that's fine. This is a form. Or is it a form? Yeah, it is a form. That's the profile form. And this is just the save button. Profile label. profile name input, first name, last name. So there's nothing on that save button, eh? Oh, so this is annoying. So this this template doesn't actually, like, it's not functional. Right? Like if I go change email address, like nothing happens. Oh no, there's something here that happens. Something did happen. Like a modal is popping up. But where is that coming from? Oh, there's an interaction here. That's opening up this. Mm-hmm. And this button is right here. But it doesn't say what that attribute, it doesn't say what it's doing. Okay, this is not a very good. Okay, just delete that. So we want something unstyled. Just get something bare bones. Let's see what this does here. Oh, that's got the old one still stuck in there. Copy. Okay, let's look at this. Okay, so where is this form? Data MS form email. Okay. And this doesn't need anything at all? How does it know what account it's associated with? That's my question. I guess if it logs in the user, I'm not sure. Let's just try it out. See what we get. Okay, so let's go to our account page. We just need to remember that on the form, we have to put this attribute data MS form email, which is interesting. Display or access a member's email address. Oh, okay, here, we'll create a custom email update form for logged in members. Okay, so we'll do that. So let's go to members. So we're going to need a new form here. And this is going to be update email form. We don't need name. Just need, actually, let's delete this form. Email form, right? There shouldn't be any other email IDs on here. update email. Okay, now there's a whole bunch of styles that are not from here. Let's, where's the cleanup button? Okay. That's going to be an input field. And all labels, okay. So it's interesting because I want to display their current email address. Where am I going? Okay, first off, let's just get this thing up and running. Let's just publish this. Just see if it's working here, because we have our one member right here. And let's update the email address. I should be logged in. Like +1. Cannot read properties of null. So why is it reading a property of null? Does it think I'm not logged in? Okay. Oh, it goes straight to here. I do want to make sure that when someone logs in, that they go to the dashboard. Override the default login redirect. I don't know. When they log in, I don't want them to go to that page. Okay, I have to think about that. I still want that page to be created every time there's a new member. And then, okay, hang on. One thing at a time. And update email. Cannot read properties of null. So it's not allowing me to update the email through this form. And why not? Let's go back to the components. Data MS form update. I think that's what I have, right? Data MS form email. Okay, so not working here. Update email address. Emails, welcome emails. Okay, I definitely need email verification. Abandoned cart, welcome emails. What's just regular emails? Okay, I'm definitely going to need to do this email verification. That's the same thing. Mm-hmm. Okay, I'm just looking at some tutorials here, see if we can find something. How to set up a profile form in Webflow. It's only a minute long. This isn't, well, we'll see.
All membership-based sites is allowing and so forth custom profile forms, and I'm not going to show you how to do that in this video, but we do have a whole bunch of different components. And what I will say is, with these profile forms, you will need to have 3 separate ones: one for email, one for password, and one for any custom fields. But let's do a modal in this video, as it's the easiest way to get that up and running. Here we are in our Webflow site. Now let's go ahead and open it. If I click that right there and then hit edit profile, as we can see, this is going to launch. And I change of image like this one, password,
In this video, I'll show you how to set up a profile page inside of Webflow in, I don't know, about a minute or so. So here I have a profile page, and I created a div where I'm going to place all my forms. And now inside of Memberstack, I'll go to the left nav bar and go to Components, and then I'm going to filter to Profile. Once that's done, we'll see different types of profile forms, and there are 3 main types we need to worry about. There is a general profile form for like custom fields, there's a password update form, and an email update form. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the email update form, and I'm going to copy this component and then paste it here into my site, just like that. So now I'll do that again with the other types. So let's do password and then paste it just like that. And then once again, we'll do it and paste. And just like that, I now have 3 different forms in here, each one with their own save button. And all of the Memberstack data attributes have already been set up for me. As you can see here, in this case, data ms member equals email, and all the other data attributes are.
I guess I need that data attribute in there. Okay, that makes sense. Why didn't I just think of that? Whoop. Since it did say it passes null. Okay. And I think this member email. Okay, right. So let's publish this and hopefully this works. So I think it's putting that in. Cool, but maybe I want to update. Your email has been updated. Perfect. So let's go into Memberstack. Let's look at the members. Something bad happened. Well, that's not good. Let's refresh. Okay, now it wants me to log back in. All right, and the email address has been updated. Perfect. Okay. Okay, so I just got to get used to working, I think, with Memberstack here. Okay, so we need to verify emails, right? Navigate to email settings in your Memberstack dashboard. Okay. Settings, email. Email verifications. I would like to enable them. Okay. Enter your customer support address. Just for now. Welcome to Pixel Pieces. Please verify your email. Verify email. I don't want to require verification to complete sign up. Thank you for joining Pixel Pieces. I'm very excited to have you on board. As a final confirmation, please verify your email address by clicking the link below. I'm going to have to think about how these messages are going to play out here, but anyways. I don't want any outro messages. Or have any questions, please reach out to us at any time. Once again, welcome to Pixel Pieces. That's weird. Why is it not? Markdown supported. Yeah. Okay, and save that. Settings pages. Let's look at the design here. Primary color. Definitely going to need a new logo, but let's take a look. What's our color? Swatch here. Okay. Save that. Okay. So we have the update email address form. Now we want, I guess, a form for the user's name. All right. And this is going to be just a profile form. That's going to be plain. It's going to be last name. I thought I updated that. Last name. First name. And attributes. Oh, data, MS, member, first name. Data, MS, member, last name. All right, and we could have, I guess, what, a save button is what these guys were saying. Mm-hmm. Resend email verification. Okay, we might want to do that. Okay, I'll have to take a look at this here. Let's finish this form and then we'll go back to this verification process. Jumping around a little bit, but you know, sometimes that's what I do. Okay. Let me profile. Change your email. I think you mean change your password. Mm-hmm. I think this is, let's copy and paste this one here real quick. Delete you. Did I not paste? Copy it. Copy. Okay, so this form here is just what I'm looking at. Data MS form profile. There it is. That's what I wanted. Data MS form profile. And then, no. Let's publish this. Let's go here. Let's go refresh. And if I just change my name, profile has been updated, and look, it updates everything kind of like right away, which is pretty slick. So I like it. And if we go back here, and we're going to do one more for the password. And then we'll style this much better because this isn't styled at all. So we'll come up with a nice profile page. Let's go back to our members only. No, not our members only. Our account page. Let's take a look at tab number 3. And this password form should be data form password. Current password and new password. Okay. Pretty self-explanatory. So, and then what's the form again? What's the whole form? Data MS form password. I don't know why I'm copying that. I should be able to remember. Anyways. So a last form here. This one is going to be user password form. Okay, and so current password and new password. This here is going to be password. And we'll just call this current password. And I think it's current password. I think it's data MS member, I think. Current password, yep. And then new password. And this is also going to be password. It's going to be new password. Data MS member, new password. And this should just say, I don't know, update password. Give this a better style. Button. This is an input field. So is this one. This is new password, current password. Last name. Okay. And our form itself is data MS form password. I think, let's verify. Data MS form password, yep. Okay, so I think that looks good. Let's publish this. Maybe. Oh, I don't like this. Stop hanging. I don't have to redo all that stuff if it didn't save. sometimes. Okay, published successfully. So delete that. Go back here, refresh. Okay, let's do some updating. Let's update a few things here at the same time. Let's put my name back. And I think this is it. I wonder if that's the same password. What's it going to say? Your password has been updated. Okay. Type in the wrong password. The provided password is invalid. Has been updated. Log out. Log in just to verify. Beauty. Perfect. Okay. But now when they log in, I don't want them to go here. Okay. Before I do that, we wanted to take a look at this, finishing this email verification thing. Right. So let's try. Let's go here. Let's log out. Let's get started with a brand new account. And let's see if we get the email verification code. In the future. And pay. Pay the big bucks. Perfect. So now I'm logged in. So this got me into my actual account. It didn't go, or went to, straight to the dashboard. It didn't go, these need to be open on login, but it didn't go to my account page, which is interesting. So I have to check my email. And okay, I got two of them. Interesting. Okay, so here's the email, which looks like shit. I don't think there's much I can do about this. I mean, this is just how it is. No reply at Memberstack. Yeah, that's not... this is not ideal. It's not ideal at all. But anyways, I can click to verify. And we probably want a message that says, hey, this was just verified. So if we go back to our members, we should see that this one is green. So this one looks like it's been verified. And this one has not been. Okay, so email verification. On sign up URL. So this new person does have their login redirect, and it did go, I think it just went to here, didn't it? Okay, well, let's use this to show an element to a member who is not verified. Yeah, which we would like to have up here, right? So let's go to I mean, it's not that big of a deal if they don't verify their email. So I'm not going to blast it on every single page. I think I'm just going to blast it here, right above the heading. So let's just go here. Let's just call this unverified container. And then we'll just go text. Please click here to verify your email. Or no, please click here to verify your email address. And then I think there was just a thing here for like a button, right? And data MS, this one right here. So let's copy this one. Email address. Which is also going to need another text block here, which is going to have to be your email dot address. And we need to, settings here. Data MS member / email. Right? That should be it. And please click here. I think the whole thing actually should be in a link. And then this link here should have this right here, this data MS action. This one is going to be, this is going to be the unverified container. It is going to be 100%. Everything in there is going to be flex. Please click here to verify. To send verification email code to this. And a little bit of a space there. And this is going to be, that's a link, but we want it to be no underline. And gotta give it a good background color. Verification. I mean, we don't need it to be too crazy. Actually, let's go, do we have? Border radius, maybe extra small. And in here, let's give it they don't have to be too crazy here. Mm-hmm. Oh, no, that is not good. Bold it and size. Maybe we should make it, doesn't need to be that big. And please click here to verify your blah, blah, blah email address. So 3 divided by 16. I want 0.1875. That looks better. Okay. So this should only show up, of course, if, where's the settings? If you're not verified, right? Has access. Okay, you can use the following data attributes to show high contact from verified. If they're not verified, okay. So if they're not verified, let's do that. Oh, no, that's going to be the value. But still, okay. Right, and then what was this pro tip here? If you want this element to be hidden by default, you can add the attribute. Yes, okay. This feature is less common. I'm not kidding. Oh, actually, I like what they had there to throw in a little bit of a warning icon. So, warning. So, let's just choose an icon here just for funsies for now. Okay. And unverified text. Let's get our margins straight. Okay. No, that's better. Okay. However, this now, there we go. Okay. And you know, this pro tip here. Let's say we have a banner, which is only if a member failed payment. I see. It only gives it the block when it's needed. Okay. So if we go here and then we go I have to give it an even more attributes. Data ms bind, I think is what it was. Yeah. Oh, but it didn't. Cannot contain double quotes. Okay. Oh, right. It just adds that in later. I hope. Style equals display block. Or maybe it's this here. I think this is what it's supposed to be. There, that makes more sense. All right, let's publish this. Let's see what we got. So if we go to this account here, it's not there, which makes sense. But let's go into my other account. And this one should not be verified. Aha. So please click here to verify this address. So I'm going to click it, email verification sent, check my email. And I got it. Still looks like crap, but we'll have to fix that. And here it is right there. Okay. So that's working. I think, what about the thank you for verifying message? Like the first time. You know, like, thank you for verifying. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think we need to worry about it. In fact, do we even want to have email verification if we're not even going to show like, hey, thank you, you've verified? I don't know. Don't know. Okay. Oh, it looks hideous. I have to change it. Okay, so we have our whole account stuff set up. We also want to Yeah, what do we want to do with about these newsletters? YouTube not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming. Oh. That doesn't look good. Is my internet? My internet's still running. Oh, my stream statuses went to poor. I'm not sure why. Uh-oh, that's not good. Hopefully it's not too choppy at this point. So let me know, or I'll have to maybe take a look, watch this later to see if it's choppy. It's saying it's poor, which is really strange because I mean, I should be having good. Let's see what's going on here. I mean, that's looking pretty good. I mean, that's download. I want upload, which I think is what we're doing here. Let's see how that's going to look. Yeah, I mean, that's looking good. Something's up with YouTube. Again, anyways, hopefully everything looks good. Well, I'll go to keep going because why not? So yeah, what are we thinking about? What are the other things that I said I wanted to do here? Let me look at what did I put here in my actual, I think I put it in the description today for the video. Content. Set up profile updates, update email address. Oh yeah, profile pictures, right. So I think there's a Memberstack thing here. Close that, don't need that anymore. Right. Profile images. This article will show you how to add an image upload button and image preview directly into Webflow. So I was thinking I was going to have to do this manually and do it with Airtable, but if they have it here, then perfect. I'll just use it here. Despite the name, kind of inside a profile form. Or CSS, okay. Works on all Memberstack and Webflow plans. Ah, okay, cool. Well, let's take a look. Well, actually, it does say, oh, where am I? To the upload UI. Let's see what the form looks like. Components, attributes, profile image. Display members profile image, okay. Upload profile image. Launch the browser's image upload to update a member's profile. Okay. Now, is it just in an, let's just, I just need to see if it's in an actual form or if it's in something different. So profile, upload now. So they have it right there. Change avatar, upload image. Copy and paste this one. Let's go. If you have a feeling it's just a button and it's going to launch the upload, like File Explorer. Let's see. Let's see if I'm right. Account. My account. I never copy. Yeah, it's just a link. It's just a link. That's what I thought. Okay, so let's go. Actually, where are we? And this one here is going to show the actual image itself. Profile image, data MS action. Okay. Page member. Actually, we can go right here, first of all. And this here is going to be, oh, I'm screwing up. Delete one, edit this one. Oh, that's wrong too. Data profile member. Is that correct? Data MS member. Got that wrong. Okay. So I think there should be a default profile image. It's app image. That might be what it is, eh? Let's see. No, there's nothing there. Let's go here. And we're going to have a link. We're going to have some text. Say upload profile image. Profile image. Actually, I'll give that a try. And profile, upload profile image, data MS action profile image, right? Okay. And that should be it. Okay. Oh, that got all messed up. What happened there? Oh, that's not supposed to be in there. Oh, right, because I'm supposed to hide it. So this here just needs to be hidden. Well, that still shouldn't be. Why it's not displayed properly. So this guy, this member, I'm not even verified, so it should be showing up here. Ugh, gotta take a look at that, see what's going on there. So update profile image. So where do I have an image? I probably have, there we go. There we go, profile image updated. Look at that, cool. So I got it. Sorry, I just selected an image there from the Explorer. And now I have my little profile image. And where is that here in Memberstack? Oh, it just shows up there. Okay, cool. But this email is not verified. So this email address is not verified. So it should be showing the please verify your email address now. Here's the thing. Do I even want email verification? The only way that you can sign up, as far as I know right now, is you have to pay. If you have to pay, you have to go through Stripe. So you're probably already going to be using a valid email address. And then we're also going to have the user be able to update their email address once they're here. So why do we want email verification? That would be the question. And I think that we don't. I don't think I want to have email verification. That's what my gut is telling me here. So hang on, I'm going to just do a little bit of an update thing here. This page needs serious design love, but we'll get there. So data MS profile. No, that's not right. Data MS member profile image, I think. It's not going to show up here either. I think that's what it is. I mean, I could verify by checking this here. Data MS profile image, yeah. Right, so it's there. Okay, so we get like a placeholder image. You get all kinds of weird things. Let's get, oh my goodness. We can do this. No, forget it. It's already using a placeholder image, so that's fine. Oh. This is profile image. 4 and 4. And radius is going to be the whole way. This is profile, just info, I guess. Right in the middle. And then so when I go, let's refresh this. If I upload a new profile image, let's say I just take this. Oh yeah, it just updates. Cool. Upload, update, like whatever Okay, cool. All right. Okay, so we got profile updated. What else did I want to do today? The email address, profile pictures, Stripe portal, right? And then to be able to, I guess, go to like their payment, just to kind of see, right? So Stripe customer portal. That should be pretty easy. And we're gonna go in here. Do one last thing. A text. I'm going to say view payment. Link. View. I don't know what this is going to be called yet, but let's call it that for now. Custom attribute, data ms as a member, data action, of course. Nope. We'll see what this does. Launch it. Oh, I mean, we already had it open here. And view Stripe portal. And it's going to be the test mode. Cool. All right. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. Okay, the last thing I want to do is I want to go, or not the last thing. Let's go back to plan. No, not plans. Let's go to settings. Let's go to emails and email verification, and I want to enable that. What does this mean? Install required. Oh, right, sure. And let's save that. Because we don't need to verify emails. I think I'm going to handle the welcome emails probably on my own. Maybe I'll do that through Zapier, probably, because these ones, they don't display well. Yeah, I think that's what we're going to do. Okay. So what else needs to be done? I think what we're going to have is, I want to have all of these drop downs things. They need to be open the whole time. So like I had them hidden at the start. So we're not going to do that. We're going to have them open. And with these icons, I'm going to rotate them. Let's see. Yeah, they're going to be at 0. Okay, and now we need to go back in here. We need to go back to now the interactions. So on the first click, we need to close. And on the second click, we need to open. However, And then there's also going to be a rotation. Let's just see if this works as is. Perfect, it does. But not for template. Oh no, it does work for template, but why did I not have that first click? Hang on a second. Because I didn't switch it on this interaction here. I have to switch this. On the first click, we're closing. On the second click, we're opening. What are all these other things? Oh, these are all the things from cutting and pasting. It's the thing about these components. Okay. All these different things. So we just need to delete these. Okay. Okay, hang on. Let's just working. But it'd be good, like if this is closed and then I hit this, that this will remember that. But I think we're going to need to do some kind of JavaScript witchcraft with that. So we're not going to worry about that right now. But what I do want to do is go to my interactions. Yes, delete all of this garbage. And there might even be more if I didn't go into this account page. Oh, no, that's just this. Delete that. But still look to see if there's any. Okay, no. There's probably going to be lots of styles to clean up. Yeah, remove all those. Okay. This page here, this my account page. No, not members only. Account. This page, I do believe, can be deleted. All right. Hang on. Let's publish this. Okay, hero. Okay, now this is strange because it's not showing anything. Why are you not showing anything? App product section. How did this get hidden? How did that happen? And if that happened, did anything else happen? That is weird. That is weird. Must have been on another page. Okay, here we go. So yeah, memberships. You know, so everything's working. It is a little bit slow to load, but I'm not sure if that's just because. Actually, I'm not sure why. So we don't have anything for this properties yet. We don't have anything for favorites. We do need to find a way to favorite things. And oh shit, that's going to be a pain. That's going to be. Here's where we're going to run into an issue. Okay. So now we want to favorite something. Oh, well, I guess we can just do it two ways. So I'm just trying to think now. I think each member, right, you know what? It's been an hour and a half. I think we're going to do this favorites tomorrow because that's going to be a little bit, that's going to be kind of fun. So what we need to do is we need every single item is going to have like a reference number. Obviously they do. So whenever someone likes something, we're going to have to track who clicked that like button and then what did they actually like, and then we're gonna have to put that in the Airtable. Then we're also gonna have to put that into the Webflow table, so that way when the user, specific user who's logged in, we're going to have the information for what items, I think, what items that they liked, and then we're going to have to put the collection on there and filter that collection only per the items that they liked, or that the items that are, yes, the items that they liked, but those are the items that are going to be matched in their collection. I think that's how it's going to work. Anyways, we'll figure that out tomorrow. Okay, but why is this? Okay, there's also this other thing here where, okay, well, number one, I'm not verifying emails anymore. So why am I even going to bother trying to fix that? Members template, all of this stuff. This here, unverified container. You're all gone. Okay. And I need to design this page as well too. This page looks just gross. Okay. What else do I need to do? Is there anything else that I should do or that I need to get done? I think once we have let me just publish this here. Once we have the favorites ready to go, this thing is going to get deleted. Do something for this help section. I feel like this shouldn't even be accessible when you're logged in. And like when you're logged in, templates should just go to, where should it go? Yeah. How can we do that? So when a user is logged in, can we keep them from seeing a specific page? So there's also more than just this. We need to add another restricted, starting with templates / Is this the same button? Add URL or restricted URL? Okay, it's doing the same thing. Components. Okay. Because basically, we don't want someone that's not logged in to not have access to this site, right? Let's go pixel pieces, templates. Okay, good. It's not logging me out. But if I go templates / what's a template page? What's a template page? Go to the dashboard. Templates, like minimal, right? All right. Let's go here. Template, minimal. Sorry, members only. But just, hey, one lifetime payment, super easy. Okay. Okay. I have to take a look at this. There's missing something on that members page. Or not on the members page. This section here. Copy this and let's go to members only. Missing. There we go. Okay. So that's restricting URLs. Oh, that's inside the dashboard. Okay, event log. Oh, that's kind of cool. Maybe it's under plans. Let's look at this plans. Plan logic. Okay, so redirects, right? Okay. Okay, I don't need any logic. I need redirects. On login, they go to the dashboard. On sign up or purchase, they go to the dashboard. On logout, they go to the home page. Good. Yeah, that works. So let's see. Memberstack redirect from page if logged in. This is a sign up or login page, right? Oh, I need to do a script, eh? Okay. Will redirect more quickly if you place it in the header. All right. Kind of annoying, but what are you going to do? Okay, so let's go to the home page. Home page. No, it's right here. Dashboard. Let's copy that. Save. Components. Dashboard will be fine. Templates. I mean, there's no way they can get to these pages, I guess, unless they actually, you know, just guess it or whatever, because I don't have these menu items anymore. Still want to get to the blog. Still want to get to don't need to get to the sign up page. That's for sure. They're logged in. I guess they can do all these forgot password stuff. Which would be weird. Actually, if they do this, I can't go to their personal account page because I won't know who they are. Okay. There was something that I was thinking that we can do. Right. I'm thinking down here, I'm just going to throw something just for now, actually. Where do I need to go? I need to go to the dashboard page. Thinking we want other links here. So we want also about, maybe, and then we want blog. I think I know it's blog, but I think I want to change it back to learn. I know other people are using that same terminology, but I like it. So that's what we're going to fix. We're going to fix that. So that way when people, let's give it a second here. Okay, so now when I go back home, oh, that is a shit redirect. Like there's big time flashes. Like it loads up the whole DOM and then goes. But if I go to blog, it's here. I might want to, yeah, my dashboard maybe. We'll think about how we want that to look. And then this, if you're not logged in, yeah, might not. Yeah, we'll fix that. I'm actually going to throw that in Asana right now. When user is logged in and viewing the blog, then hide payment call to action. Okay. I just added that to my to-do list. And maybe also add user. I could just show you this here. Add user profile image to header. When logged in and on brochure pages. The question is, that's just showing dashboard, but it's not showing the same thing. Oh, it's got a different navigation menu. That's why. That makes sense. So I'll just have to update that. Okay. Is there anything else that I think? Obviously, you're going to have to make this a little bit more responsive. And I mean, I don't want it to be too crazy. Like, I don't know if people could use this on their phone because you're not really using Webflow on your phone. I think we're getting close. I think we'll finish. I'll do a little bit more work tonight to get things tidied up, especially on this page. Maybe clean up some of the icons, clean up some of those pages when you're not logged in. And then tomorrow we'll work on the favorites. And maybe that might be it. We're getting pretty close. So this is exciting. All right. Yeah, I'm going to leave it here today. So, yeah. Let me know if I missed anything in the comments. If you think there's something else that I need to do or whatever. But I think we're moving along quite nicely. And 100% for sure, by the end of the week, this whole application is going to be ready to go. In terms of what will be left would be, I need to have the actual components and templates ready to go and figure out how to do the whole cut and paste thing into Webflow. Other than that, everything will be ready to go. And I'm super pumped, of course, figuring out pricing and all that kind of stuff. Maybe doing some more, like when people join up, what emails they're going to be getting and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, that's another thing. I'll write that down. I need to also integrate into MailChimp. I'll just put integrate with MailChimp for like newsletter plus members. Yeah, I think there'll be 2 newsletter forms. One for people that are actual members, and there'll be ones for people that sign up for tips and tricks, which will also be, you're able to be signed up on the blog page as well too. All right, that's it for me. I'm going to stop rambling. I'm going to go for a walk, have a quick break, and come back and get to work. And then we'll see you with a new stream tomorrow where we'll do the favorites, which is going to be, I don't know, it might be my favorite. That was bad. We'll see you tomorrow.